Okay, good morning student. Today we are going to start to solving one more question on the same topic. Capital adjusted of new partner on the basis of old partner. It's the last question of this chapter. After the finishing of this question, we are going for the next chapter, that is retirement. And if you have any type of problem, please send me some comments about the problem of this chapter. Okay beta, now I am going to start the question number 90. 90 is there beta? 90. Okay beta, question number 90A. Okay, read the question beta.
Om, Ram and Shantanu were
Om,
parents
Ram
and Shantanu
okay, S. Okay, next.
were parents in a film.
Okay,
Sharing,
firm.
fun-
Okay,
sharing profit in
the ratio of
ratio of on of 3 double point
Huh?
2 double point 1 on first and
3 2 is 2. It's a is 2 sign. 3 is 2, 2 is 2 1. Okay, next.
on 1st April 2014 their balance sheet
Okay, that is balance sheet is there beta. Okay, after that we are going for the next.
on the above
Hmm?
date human was admitted on the following terms.
Okay, H admitted on the following terms. Okay, next.
He will bring 1 lakh for his capital and
1 lakh for his capital and goodwill. For his goodwill as a part. Okay, goodwill as a part of beta. They are saying he will brings necessary cash for his share of goodwill and his ratio is 1/10 beta. His ratio is 1/10. Okay, and firm goodwill is 3 lakh. 3 lakh is the goodwill and 10% 1/10 it means 30,000 of goodwill of the H. Okay beta, 30,000 goodwill of H. Now we are going to start. First entry, cash account debit to H capital to goodwill, and H capital is 1 lakh. It's a 30,000. It's a 1,30,000. Okay. Then goodwill account debit to O capital to R capital to S capital. Nothing is given for the sacrificing or any other thing. Okay. Nothing is given, so directly old ratio is like a sacrificing ratio. 30,000 divided in 3 2 1 6, 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. Okay, up to this is clear. I think up to this is clear, na? No problem about that. Then we are going for the revaluation in liability. First we are going to make the revaluation beta. Just see, revaluation. Okay, first is a liability of 18,000 will be created against bill receivable dishonored. One bill receivable is there, that is dishonored. Okay beta, then liabilities create and new liabilities came means to bill debit side amount 18,000. Okay, next. The value of stock and furniture will be reduced by 20% and stock value is 1,11,000 and furniture value is 2,31,000 and both are reduced by 20%. Furniture value is 2,31,000. Furniture 2,31,000. 20 upon 100 means 002 1,664 and then stock 1 lakh, stock beta 1,11,000, 20 upon 100, 00222. Okay, clear? Next is the value of land and building will be increased by 10%. So land and building value is 3,64,000 and increase by 10%. So 3,64,000 is 36,400. Okay, that is by land and building. Okay, beta, land and building. Clear? Now we are going for the totaling. Just see this side. $36,400 and reduced by 20%. Stock 1,11,000, 20% is okay. 2,31,000 furniture. Okay, then the difference value is loss on revaluation. %, and stock is 1,11,000 and furniture 2 lakh. The value of furniture is beta 2,33,000 actually. 2,33,000. 2,30,000. Just see the value of furniture beta 2,33,000 I think. Okay, then this amount is 6. Value of furniture value, tell the value of furniture in this lab, in this area. Furniture value. See, furniture.
2,33,000.
Okay. Okay, beta. 2,33,000. Then total is 8, 6. 1 is remain. 4, 5, 5 and 2, 7 and 8. Okay. Then this side 8, 6, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0 and 5. By loss, O capital, R capital and S capital beta. Okay. Just divide in 3 is to 2 is to 1. This 50,400 divided by 6. Okay. Then 6, 8 times 48, 24, 4 times. Okay. Then this 8,400, 16,800, 25, 200. Okay, beta. Up to this is clear. Now we are going to make the capital account. Beta. Okay. Up to this is no problem. Okay. Now we are going for the capital account. Just see how to make the capital account. I think well known about the capital account because here we are going to adjust. But again I am going to solve for the capital account, but that you will well understand about this type of question because it's a very important type of questions. Okay, beta. Clear? Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay, now we are going for the capital account. Capital account. Okay, capital account. Okay beta, just start with the capital account. 4 partner is here. Okay beta, then we are going to maintain the 4 line. O, the name of O, O, R, S and H. S, H. O, R, S and H. Okay? O, R, S and H. Okay? We are going to make like that because it's very important. I think you will remember the things. First, what we are entered, beta? First we are entered balance. First we are entered balance. Okay beta? Clear? Now I am going to enter the balance. Okay beta? Okay, start with the balance. Balance by balance BD and balancing amount is beta. The balancing amount in the balance sheet. Just tell the balance sheet. The capital is 3,50,000.
Yes. 3,58,000.
3,58,000. Then next
3 lakhs. 3 lakhs.
only 3 lakhs. Okay, next
2,62,000.
2,62,000. And then first entry by cash 1 lakh. H capital is 1 lakh beta. Then by goodwill. Okay. Goodwill we are going to distribute 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. Okay beta. Clear? Up to this is clear or not? Then loss on revaluation. Loss on revaluation. We are divide that loss on revaluation. The loss is coming. What amount is coming beta? 50,400. Yes. The loss is coming 50,400. That is divided by how? Again I am dividing. Then you will remember the things. Divide by 6, 8, 4. It means 8,400, then 16,800, then 25,200 beta. Okay, clear? Up to this is clear or not? Then go for the next. Any reserve, surplus or anything is given. One reserve, general reserve is given. That is 48,000. General reserve. That amount is 48,000. Then buying general reserve 48,000 divided by the 321. Then divide by 6. 48,000. 8 times. It means 8,000. 16, 24. Okay. Then again see. Anything new is coming or not? Okay, up to this nothing is there. Then nothing. Then we are going to adjust the capital. Before the adjusting, 3 to 1. Its ratio and new partner ORS H 1 by 10. Okay, beta. New partner is coming for 1 by 10. Okay. New partner is coming from 1 by 10. So then going to calculate 1 minus 1 by 10. 9 by 10. It means 9 by 10 into 3 upon 6 O R 9 by 10 into 2 upon 6. S 9 upon 10 into 1 upon 6. Okay. 27 upon 60. 18 upon 60. 9 upon 60. It means new ratio is 27 upon 60. 18 upon 60, 9 upon 60 and 1 upon 10 into 6. 27 is to 18 is to 9 is to 6. Divide by 3. 3, 2, 3, 6 and 9. 2, 3, 6 and 9 beta. Okay. 9 is to 3. 3. Okay. Then for this 2, he will come with the 1 lakh. For this 2, come with the 1 lakh. For 3, 3 lakh directly. For 6, for 2, 1 lakh. So for 3 beta, 1 lakh 50,000. Let's check it. 3 into 1 lakh upon 2. Okay, and then it's a 3 lakh and 9 means 4 lakh 50,000. Now we are going to put this amount directly to balance CD. 4 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh 150 and 1 lakh. Okay, now going to balance and set the capital, and here the saying, if any type of deficiency or extra amount they want to take, that will take by the current account, adjust by the current account, not for the cash account beta. Okay, now see first, this side is 1 lakh, again this side again 1 lakh. Clear? Clear beta? Clear na? Then 150, but here this side is more. 262, 8, 270, then 275. 275 beta. Okay, 275. 275 less from here, then 001, 5, 8 and 9, 7. Sorry, 2,75,000 is there, na? So 0, 06, 0, 1, 8, 1, 9 and 6, 15. Okay? 15, 1 is remain. 1 and 4, 15, 1,46,600. Next, here 3 lakh, 3 lakh. 10, 16, this side is more. It's a 0,00623. Okay, then 326 000, 326 000. Then what amount is remaining beta? 002, 10, 1 remain. 9, 10, 6, 1 remain, and 1 and 2. 9,200. This side is bigger. Okay, then 200, 5, 7, 4, 4, 7, 5, 200. This side total is, it's 2 current account. Okay beta, this side 002. Okay, this is 3 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh 60,000, 3 lakh 80,000, 3 lakh 92,000, 3 lakh 97,000, 3 lakh 97,000 beta. Okay, then 2, 4, 7, 5, 20, 3 lakh 97,000. It means 002, 14, 8. Okay, 8, 1 is remain, cut, 6, 7. It's a 78,200. It's a by current account. Okay, Just see answer is coming or not. 78, 200 is coming. Then 9,200 is again coming. And last is 1,16,600. General Reserve, third 2,62,000, 2,75,000, 1,16,200, okay, clear? It's a 252. Just see beta. It's a 262 is there na?
Yes.
Last 262 or anything else? Okay.
Comma.
It's comma is there or 262 is there na? Okay. Clear beta? Clear and solve. It's okay. Now today we are going to finish the chapter and next day. Okay? Okay. Thank you.